Good morning, chat. We are currently at the Nasdaq close. Yesterday's close and gap fill 25,331. Little above ES's. Bitcoin is currently up 0.1%, and metals are short squeezing. Silver is short squeezing as we speak. It tapped 50 about an hour ago. Short squeezed all the way to 51.2. We have the target of 52, but I'm starting to think it's going to go higher. It may take a little more time, but I think gold has a long way it can go. If you look at this RSI, we're only extended to about 90.91, and the high all the way back here. If you can see, when gold peaked around 1900, we had an RSI of around 94, and it's ramping up exponentially. You have a lot of puts coming in. If you guys can see the selling pressure, let me move this. The puts coming in down here. Boom, 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 boom. So I think we have a long way it can go. I mean, we're not even peaked. We're not even peaked. We are at the same level in this Nvidia Trade Pro. I think we may have some more room. Maybe 48, maybe 52. But at these levels, I mean, these could be decade highs right here. Especially with the Israel piece that came, at least the first signature, first round. We'll get into that in 1 second. Let's reset this. ES is above the VWAP, 200 SMA, 100 MA. So yesterday, Trump at 6:51 p.m. said, "I am very proud to announce that Israel and Hamas have both signed off on the first phase of the peace plan. This means that all the hostages will be released soon, and Israel will withdraw their troops to an agreed upon line as the first steps toward a strong, durable, and everlasting peace. All parties will be treated fairly. This is a great day for the Arab Muslim world, Israel and all surrounding nations, and the United States of America. And we thank the mediators from Qatar, Egypt, and Turkey who worked with us to make this historic and unprecedented event." So, peace here. We're starting to prepare and ramp up war for the potentiality with Russia, possibly others. But this is the first sign of peace in the Middle East. We'll see if it continues. We'll see if it gets upheld, if the hostages get released. Hamas is now on a 72-hour clock, starting at 6 p.m., something like that. So we'll see. They released hostages. It's looking good. Docket for the day. We did have Fed Powell record a speech. I listened to it. It was just a greeting for the actual event. And Scott Bessent is speaking. He didn't comment on monetary policy or anything like that. It was just, "Hi, hello, I'm out of the country. I'm not going to be here. Sorry, I'm not there, blah, blah, blah." Boom. We do have a Fed Community Bank Conference going on all day. That's what's happening with that. Fed Bauman did speak. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent speaking, as I just showed. 11 a.m., 10:30 a.m., EIA natural gas change. 11 a.m., Trump hosting cabinet meeting. That cabinet meeting may go on for hours. 2.5 hours was his last one. I don't want to sit through it. Hopefully be out of the market by then. 11:30 a.m. US 4-week bill. 12:45 Fed Bar speaking. Fed Kashkar and Bar speaking at 1 p.m. as well. 1 p.m. as well. US 30-year bond. That's very important. 3 p.m. Trump greeting finish. President. That one might come in. It's only a greeting, so he may do it in power hour. That could get pushed off to after hours. 3:45, another Fed speaking, and then another Fed speaking after that. Let's get into the market synopsis. We have 4 minutes. European market synopsis for today. European stocks opened on a subdued note with declines in major banks like HSBC, weighing on indices and amid broader global uncertainties, including the U.S. governmental shutdown concerns. Germany export data showed unexpected falls, adding to cautious, but despite some undervalued opportunities in small caps. Asian market synopsis. Asian shares advanced to new highs. driven by AI enthusiasm and tech rallies, with SoftBank surging on a robotics deal. Oil prices fell amid a Gaza ceasefire, while China Shanghai index gained modestly after holidays. Yesterday, U.S. market synopsis, aka gap up, just continuation up, leg up, consolidation, leg up, consolidation, just continued up all day. U.S. stocks rose with the S&P 500 and NASDAQ closing at fresh record highs, fueled by tech rebounds and AI optimism despite Fed minutes showing rate cut divides. The Dow ended flat while gold extended its rally past $4,000 an ounce. Gold and silver, gold and silver. Whoever doubted that poll of $52 for silver to hit this week, I don't know. Need to rethink. This short squeeze, that gold and silver has been needing to happen for years. Heavily manipulated. We are in a rigged system, so how high will it go? I mean, it should be at 72, should be a little higher, some say, but they'll probably stop it soon. Maybe, I mean, my guess is 52. I'm starting to see a potentiality for more room. Maybe 58, maybe somewhere in the 60s if we're lucky. But at this point, it's anyone's guess how big they want to rig it. But it's starting to get out of their control. A lot of puts are coming in, and it's continuing to short squeeze. We'll see. A lot of FOMO's happening. 30 seconds till market open. Good morning, Toro. Good morning, Norman. I like to short at open if it respects 25,332. ES is above the VWAP 200 SMA, 100 MA. Let's get ready. We have 15 seconds. Let's get the VWAP dead on. It is dead on. I would like this to wick down to start and have a bounce around 25,277, but we'll just have to see how this one's go. ES is starting flushing up. Market is open. Nvidia is starting 1.5% up. Palantir is starting 0.15% up. Tesla starting 2% down. MicroStrategy starting 1% down. Apple starting 0.2% down. Amazon 0.5% down. Adobe 0.25% up. Meta a little bit up, about to flip red. Microsoft down 0.25%. Google down 0.25%. Alibaba down 1.3%. Boom, 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 boom. See. We'll see. Bitcoin coming down a bit, still flip green. Bitcoin about to flip red. ES about to have the VWAP. We're below the 21 EMA on the NQ5 minute chart. Let me fix that. Messed up somehow. Right. ES waking up. Why am I on this screen? We're still below the NQ30 minute VWAP. We'll see. Yes, waking up. Trying to reject the 20 man on the 5 minute as we speak. Starting to come down, tap at the bottom of that range. Yes, we can down a little bit. Nvidia climbing. Nvidia is up 1.7%. Palantir flipped red. We do have gap fills. NQ gap fill got completed. ES gap fill has not yet been tapped. We're working down. Bitcoin flipping red. $15-minute opening range closes in 12 minutes. All right, here we go. Pre-market low at 25,294. Also coincides with a pivot point. Bitcoin flipped red, down 0.13%. Nvidia cooling off a bit. Palantir now down 0.6%. Adobe flipping red. I want it to flush to this 25,270 to 260 range. ES gap about to be filled. Could begin to liquidate at that point. Liquidation could begin. Get rid of this. We flushed pre-market low. ES still clinging on to the VWAP. About to fill the gap. Tap the 200 SMA. Below the 20 MA, 21-day exponential moving average and lanky 5-minute chart. Also 2000 flipping green, ES bouncing on the VWAP, at least temporarily. The volatility index, the VIX, is at 16.36, up 0.5% for the day. Staying patient. 15-minute opening range closes in 9 minutes. Bitcoin close to flipping green. Appreciate the follow, Boris. Appreciate you. Nice scalp, a quick 30 points. Posted in the Discord. Good job, Toro. Morning. Let's print some money. We'll see, Brayden. Good morning, Maddie. Nvidia starting to come down. Oh, we want this to liquidate to 25,260. Let me look. Could go to 50s as well. Bitcoin wants to pop. I think we have one more couple legs down. One or two more legs down. They could begin a liquidation. I don't know if they will. I definitely think they want to fill that ES gap. Build some liquidity for the NQ. Here we go. Going on to that pivot point. ES is still above the VWAP 100 made to our SMA. Palantir now down 1%. Tesla down 1.4%. Alibaba down 2.6%. And they really don't want to break this pivot point. $15-minute opening range closes in 5 minutes. Just staying patient. Faster they liquidate to that 260 level, the more probable and the more I like it. Lower they go to it, or I don't. ES tapping the VWAP again, looking for a double bottom on the ES, hopefully not. Not just yet. Fill the gap, fill the gap. Yeah, it's trying to wick through. Nvidia is still holding 1.5% up. Could be a debate. They could bring this down. Most of the market is red. A little lower. Yes, about to fill the gap. ES gap has been filled. And with one long. Probably going to go to 260. I just want to be positioned with one. We want this to just be a wick through. This could begin a liquidation. We'll see. Adding one. It needs to break back into that range. If not, this will begin to liquidate. Nvidia is still trying to hold. Want the 260s to hold. 50-minute opening range closes in 3 minutes. Get back into the range. Adobe flipping green. ES trying to bounce. Back into the range. Come on. Go reject right here. Back. It's back, son. ES trying to take another layer lower. Long as the video continues to hold, we should be alright. AMD flipping green. We need Palantir to come up. Palantir is down 1.5%. What's Bitcoin? Bitcoin coming lower. Not the greatest. Back in there. Get back in there. Very nice. Come on. A little more. Trying to roll over. So far, bounce to 30 points. Quick down of 100. Get back into the range. It's back there. The video is coming up. For now. Yeah, it's trying to bounce. We'll see. We can down. I don't mind that liquidity sweep. Bounce.
Order filled.
Adding one more. Go. It needs to go. She's starting to liquidate. Video's still strong. There's a chance, but if the video gets weak, this bad boy's coming down hard. Video now up 2%. Bitcoin coming lower. ES is trying to bounce. Come on. I'll be watching for the range test. That bottom range that was support, now resistance. Already tapped it, already rejected it once. If it goes up, taps it again, rejects it, we're coming down very hard. Want to get above as fast as possible. Bitcoin's coming down. Not good for the ES. Get back in the range. Oh. Go, sir. Go, sir. Most people are not longing here. If anything, they're adding to shorts. One more leg up. Might not have it. Palantir coming up. I'm out with one there. Out with another one. Very nice.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Boom. And now we're breaking with the other. We'll trail this one up if it presents the opportunity. If not, then not. If you guys are enjoying the video, smash the like button, follow the channel, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. We're live every day at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow, 30 a.m. EST. Tomorrow I will not be live. Got some stuff to do. But Monday we will be live the following week. Terrence, appreciate the follow. Appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Closing in on 8,000. Up 50 points. Where's the VWAP? About to tap the VWAP 21. I might just let this ride. Let me go. Let this go. That could be the top of this. It is a lower high. The reward is great though to hold this. That could very well be the interim bottom, at least for the hour, couple hours. Probably only hold for one more leg up though. Almost at daily pivot on QQ. Yeah, call that perfectly nice sometimes. We can't see Ninja Trader Chris? Oh, shit. My bad, guys. My bad, my bad, my bad. Could get a round trip here. It's worth holding. Ooh, massive weight down. Alright, starting to liquidate. Stop about to be hit. Massive weight down. That's probably news. Alright, stop's about to be hit. It is break even. We took two already out. Oh, that's unfortunate. Whatever that is not good. Not good at all. Oh, that was a home run trade. Israel foreign minister, we don't have any intention to renew the war. Trump likely to be in Jerusalem on Sunday. German chancellor, we have a strategic interest in preserving the German car industry. What was that? $40-point wick. Let me look at the stocks. If it's manipulation, we're golden because it'll likely continue up, but it's not looking very good. Video is up 3%.
Order filled.
And stopped out break even with that one con. What was that news? You don't get a 40-point wick like that without news. The Fed dampened their expectations on interest rates in the meeting yesterday. Could be it. What was that news? Most people were not longing there, so they shouldn't have did that. Man. This market the past couple of days. Oof. I mean, we're still out with 867, but that should have been a home run. And it was. We were up 50 points, but that should have been a lot more. Boom, boom, boom. Bitcoin coming lower. Nvidia up 2.8%. Palantir down 1.1%. Tesla down 2%. MicroStrategy down 2%. Apple down 1.1%. Might have just been an amalgamation of the Mag 7 coming down. Amazon 1.17% down. Adobe's up 0.1%. We're getting into liquidation territory. The 1 hour is wanting to go up. The 1 minute, excuse me. 1 hour wants to come down. Nvidia is starting to come down. Catching this long is a little risky. Bitcoin coming down heavy. They may be going to the 100 in May. Coincide to the pivot point 25,198. It shouldn't. But that should have been a home run right there. That should have at least taken us to the gap. I don't like this action right now. Very volatile. Be very careful. They liquidity sweep the bottom, that makes sense, but not a lot of people were long there. So it's a little strange. Little strange. Subsonic. Classic. It is a double bottom. ES is a little weaker than the Nasdaq. Bitcoin's still weak. Alibaba now down 3.46%. AMD is up 1%. Netflix is up 1.4%. Checking for a Trump tweet. Diab, Farid, Robin, appreciate the subscriptions. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Next news on the docket is 10:30 a.m. EIA natural gas change. After that, 11 a.m. Trump hosting cabinet meeting. We definitely want to be out of the market by that point. It'll most likely be consolidation, if not a little trail down. Bitcoin coming down. ES wants flush. Video is still strong. It could be a fake out though. Alibaba trying to come up. Bitcoin coming up. ES trying to create a double bottom. Maybe. Adobe flipped red. Avigo close to flipping red. See what they want to do. Bitcoin's still coming down. Silver trying to hold 50. Yeah, it's trying to get a bounce. Yeah, it's trying to bounce.
Order filled.
I'll be in with one. I'm gonna have a stop on this though. It's gonna be obvious. Why is my chart freezing? Why is my chart freezing? Alright, we're back. Bitcoin still coming lower. Could be wrong. We're back inside the range for now. Let's see. They may want to liquidity see that bottom. Hopefully not. Hopefully they just go. Gapper's been waiting for 6,815 for a week, and all I get is 6,812. Have you checked out metals, Gapper? Silver and gold are literally short squeezing. Gold, silver's cooling off after almost hitting 51.2, $51.20. Bitcoin starting to come up. I want this to go up to VWAP. Scalp it for around 40 points, and then we'll be done for the day. Come on. Come on. Could get stopped at that pivot point. We're also against a lot, but we'll see. Pivot point at 25,294. They may want to liquidity sweep the lows. That's kind of what they're doing. And it could be a genuine liquidation. So far, the 260s have held. That's the point I wanted. Maybe a battle though. Looking weak. ES trying to pull. Bitcoin coming down. Abe go flipping red. Trump solved the Israel Hamas stuff, so I figured down day. Yeah. Didn't silver already test the 2011 highs? Didn't already do that. Yeah, we've already flushed that. Unless the chart's wrong. The high is at 49.92. You already flushed that today. Create a high of 51.24. Alright, it may get stopped at this pivot point we want to work through. What number are you looking for? Right now I'm looking for like 305, 310. But it's definitely favoring the downside a little too much for my liking. Bitcoin coming down. Tapping that range again. Sweeping it. We may sweep the lows here. Go straight to that pivot point. So we're back at $50.25 an ounce. Gold at $4,045 an ounce. Trying to take another downturn. Being stuck to this pivot point. You fooled around long enough. Get that wick up. You know you want it. It knows it wants it. Not the wick down, the wick up. Let's go. Let's go NASDAQ. Let's go NASDAQ. It's really trying to lose this range. Bitcoin is coming up. That helps the ES. Probably gonna sweep the bottom. I'm not gonna like it. Yeah, we are getting green volume. We'll probably sweep it. One is coming up. We're either going to get lucky, get a sweep up, or they're going to liquidate this further. The way they're holding it, the way they're propping it up, the way Nvidia is holding right now at 2.7, could be a pretty hard sell-off coming. Nvidia trying to come up. Bitcoin coming up. ES is trying to flush. Time is now. Now or never. And Q is still flagging out, but might break down. Yep, pretty much. Biden says up. We'll see. Nasdaq will hit 4,700. Hopefully it goes up before then. That'd be great. Do you have a group? I trade Nasdaq 100. This is the group built. Cat right here. She may flush. What it's looking like. Too much consolidation here, they're likely going to liquidity through the bottom. I'm cutting that for 150. Join in a minute. Maybe. Bitcoin is starting to tank. ES starting to flush. What's up, Bonnie? Adobe close flipping green. A go back green. AMD up 0.25%.
Order filled.
We'll try one more time. Ay, ay, ay. Are we gonna get the sweep? I don't know.
Order
Got it for
filled.
250. We're walking away with 400. I'm over this week. Over it. If you guys are still going to be trading Fear and Greed Index for the stock market, 53 out of 100 neutral. Crypto Fear and Greed Index for the crypto, 70 out of 100 greed. The docket still for today, boom, boom, boom. 10:30 a.m. EI natural gas change. 11 a.m. Trump hosts cabinet meeting. 11:30 US 40 bill. 12:45 Fed bar. A lot of Fed speaking and US 30-year bond. Tomorrow, if you guys are going to trade, I am not. 10 a.m. University of Michigan sentiment prelim. 5-year inflation, 1-year inflation expectations condition. Very important. The most important news of the Friday, unless Trump news outweighs it. Just more peace, etc., etc. Fed Muslim, and then 1 p.m. US Baker Hughes total oil rig. No news from Trump. All right, I'm out of here. I will see you guys Monday. It should prop up, bounce to the ESV WAP. If not, the NQ, this pivot point again. A lot of people are short here, so they place their stops here, here, here. That's what I was gunning for, but I'm not going to continue this week. Rather just skip to next week. I'll be back Monday. Persevere through resistance. Do not fear the unknown. Do not fear missing out. And there are no missed opportunities, only the next one. See you guys Monday. Peace, peace, peace.